Hey, it's Steve with the Handyman Life, and today I'll show you quick how to install some door handle hardware. We've got a new Kwikset privacy handle, so we'll unbox this.
Hey, you got the saw machine right here? I need that move out the service unit.
Alright, we'll take this out of the box. See, we got more hardware underneath here. Latch, different screws, and cover plates. So we're going to take a look at our door, see the shape, and the handle comes with a square one, which isn't it, and a rounded one, which this is the one we need. Take the latch and this cover plate here, and we're going to slide it on like that. I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it in the door. Notice the way the door closes, so that you put the latch in right. And then we'll take our cover plate, and we'll put that in place, just like that. And then we're going to take two of the short screws and screw it into place. Just like that. We're going to take the outside handle, insert it here. We'll take the inside handle with the lock button, and you can see it's got a prong on one side, and then in here it's got a prong on one side, so you got to match those up proper, and this will slide right on like this. And before you tighten the two screws, make sure that the square is lined up with the square of the door. And I like to use a screwdriver to get these to the perfect tightness. And the other side handle is held on with a set screw. And there's a spring in here, so hold the door. Just kind of put that on like that and tighten up the set screw. So now that we got both sides on, I like to check the function of the handle and the locking mechanism. So push that button, make sure this side stays locked, make sure it comes unlocked when you pull the inside, and then we're going to make sure that the door lines up with the hole in the jamb. Yep. Come over here, check out the jamb. And we're going to use our knife, just kind of clean this up. Just like that. And like that. We're going to take what's called our latch strike plate and put it into place and screw it right there. And then we're just going to check and make sure that the door closes and latches, which it does. And that's how you install a privacy door handle. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the Handyman Life. Catch you next time.